Welcome back to the Everyday Fishing Channel. Well, we're out here doing some carp fishing, but I don't think this is a carp. Yeah, this is one of them rascally old catfish. It sure is. Catfish, huh? Looks like we're getting another bite. Shoot, we might double up. Catfish, alright. I could deal with that. Cool, so now I've caught fish on 3 out of the 4 rods that I brought today. 3 out of the 4 rods. And we might be catching one on the 4th. Possibly. Kick ass. I mean, just a little catfish guy, but whatever. He's a fish. We got him. Alright, bud, chill out. Let me get a hold of you. And I'll get this hook out of you. Alright, let me get a hold of the hook, guy. Not your whisker. I don't want the whisker. You gotta open your face hole so I can actually grab this hook, guy. Alright, there you go. No big deal. See? No big deal. You're free to go. You are free to go, my friend. Free to go. Rascally old catfish, get on out of here, boy. Alright, we're gonna skip rocks right where I'm fishing. We're gonna skip rocks right where I'm fishing. You know, I'm fishing right here. Can you hear me? I got lines out right here.
Right there?
Right here. People trying to not paying attention to what's going on. All right, let's just get this back out there. We still got pack bait on here. Let's get it back out. Not on the weeds. All right, we'll leave it right there. I think that's the name of this video. I had to stop them from skipping rocks while I was fishing. I hate that crap. Pay attention. Okay, so I guess I didn't show you guys the rig, but what we're doing is a method feeder, a hair rig, and this method feeder. Pack this pack bait around it. This stuff right here. Pack your pack bait around it. You got your hair rig dangling down below your method feeder. And yeah, that's how you get them. That's how you go for carp anyways. But in the middle of trying to catch carp, you're going to catch catfish too. It's just the way it goes. Oh shoot, this line is super slack. Something picked it up and was running with it. Son of a gun. Alright, well, I don't know, we might be getting the second fish. There's something hitting it. Now they're hitting this one. They're just teasing me. They're teasing all of us. These sons of guns. Oh well, we got a catfish though. That's what matters. We got something. If you guys like this, give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel for more. Share this with everybody you know. That means your mama, your daddy, your granny. Tell everybody, go fishing every day. Thank you.